Every day you say, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow I'll become disciplined. But tomorrow keeps destroying your life. While you waste hours scrolling, distracting yourself, avoiding discomfort, your future is slowly collapsing. And the worst part? Deep down, you already know it. Most people are not failing because they are stupid. They are failing because they are addicted to comfort. Easy dopamine, easy entertainment, easy distraction. Modern life has trained people to escape difficulty instead of facing it. And slowly, they become mentally weak. Not because life defeated them, but because they defeated themselves. Your biggest enemy is not other people. It is the version of yourself that always wants comfort. The version that says, skip the workout, sleep longer, scroll a little more, start tomorrow. And every time you listen to that voice, you become weaker. Because discipline is not a battle against the world, it is a battle against yourself. Nobody destroys their life in one day. It happens slowly, through weak habits repeated every day. 1 hour wasted becomes years wasted. One excuse becomes a lifestyle. One lazy day becomes an undisciplined life. And suddenly, people wake up at 30, 40, even 50 years old, realizing they became someone they never wanted to become. Imagine meeting your future self someday. Would they thank you or be disappointed in you? Because your future is being built right now, in your habits, in your discipline, in what you choose to do when nobody is watching. Your future life is not created by luck. It is created by your daily decisions. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop waiting for life to magically change. Because nobody is coming to save your future. Either you build discipline now or regret it later. The choice has always been yours. Comfort creates weak people. Discipline creates powerful lives.